Hello Champïone Familia. So I wanted to share with you my newest longevity hack right here, Holistix. I am more than happy to use this every single day and share it with you guys. So here's the unboxing. It says, welcome to the power of molecular hydration. Your body will thank you. Beautiful packaging. Okay guys, are you ready? So you just click this button and it starts. And you just wait 5 minutes for this beautiful restructuring. So here are some key differences I noticed when drinking my Holistix hydrogen water. I feel so much more hydrated with hydrogen water. Normally I'll have to drink so much water to feel satisfied, but with this I feel quenched after half the amount, and it really shows me that my cells are actually absorbing it. So the reason why it works is hydrogen water improves cellular permeability, helping water enter the cells faster. Something else I noticed while drinking my Holistix hydrogen water is I feel so much more clarity and focus, especially in the mornings. So when I drink this first thing, I love to do my meditation, my morning prayer. I feel like my thoughts are clear and I don't need so much caffeine, and yeah, I just don't feel sluggish. So it works for me because molecular hydration reduces oxidative stress and supports mitochondrial function. And lastly, my skin feels so good and glowy. You know, I noticed a subtle glow, especially in the mornings. Like my skin was better hydrated from the inside out. And I know so much as how important the skin is, and skin hydration is closely linked to intracellular hydration. So this aligns so much with what we do here at Champïone, helping people skin heal from the inside out. So my Holistix hydrogen water bottle just pairs perfectly with my breath work. I like to sip it. It doesn't stimulate me, but I feel so much more peace and just energized. You know something else it made me realize, Champïone? It made me realize that the water I drank before was pretty dead. And it wasn't until I started using this hydrogen Holistix water bottle that I realized how flat and stagnant the other water tastes compared to this. This just feels alive, okay? I'm so happy with this beautiful water, with the movement of nature. The Holistix hydrogen water bottle infuses your water with molecular hydration, a powerful antioxidant shown in studies to neutralize free radicals, which supports anti-aging, boosts cognitive clarity and energy, penetrates cells faster than regular water, and improves metabolic function. And when you swirl the water in your mouth, you're not just drinking it, you're programming vitality into your body. It's absolutely incredible. I have one of these every day. I use it every morning before breath work, workouts. I feel the difference, not only in hydration, but in my mental focus, my skin clarity, and just overall glow. And it's compact, sleek, and looks amazing on my counter. So get one of these for your friends. This is one of the best priced hydrogen water bottles that's effective, super high quality, luxurious on the market. I'm so happy to have discovered this product, and this is my secret to glowing and deep hydration from the inside out. So get one for yourself by Try Light.